Okay, hi, this is Rosario. Actually, I got this brought my number through SMS. My friend only given this number. So when I reached this consultancy, they approached me very well. They given a lot of information about courses and which country is good for better career to my what I have a education qualification right now, and also they run a good process. Whenever I call anytime, then time is not a problem and date nothing. Whenever I call, just they pick up the call and they given exact answers what I require, and also depends upon my request commitments. They done a good job also. Since I never paid any money to government consultancy, totally they done free of cost for all the students. Finally, I got a visa, so I think it's enough. Okay, Padma.